Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and Happy New Year. So as I mentioned to you in yesterday's video, I had done a bunch of ordering while I was off this past week to get ahead of myself so I can get everything out of my system because I'm going into my no-buy now. So starting now, January 1st, I don't plan on purchasing anything. Fingers crossed I could stick with it for months of January and February. So you're gonna see a lot of shop my closet looks in the next 2 months. So today, what did I get? All right, there's not a lot here, but I'm going to the mall to do some returns, including some returns for my daughter. So I wanna get this all done and out of my house by tomorrow. So that's why I figured, even though there's not much here, let me show you what I got. So my friend for my birthday gave me a very nice gift card to White House Black Market, one of my favorite places. And I bought 2 things from there, all right? First up is this little striped polo, which I think is adorable. And I just noticed there's a thread on this, but it's just a loose thread, so okay. It's in like an off-white. I wouldn't call this a white. It is white, but I bet if I held it up to something very white, it would not look as white. And like a slate blue gray collar, and it's a polo style with are these working? No, faux buttons down the front, so they're just for decoration, the buttons, and the buttons go all the way up here on the side. This is very thin and it's ribbed. I'm gonna come closer so you can see. All right, very thin, probably see-through, I'll have to see. Super soft because there's some cashmere in this. All right, very little cashmere, but it's still cashmere. 40% viscose, 30% nylon, 25% polyester, and 5% cashmere. Machine wash, cold, gentle, cycle, lay flat to dry, warm iron. So for some reason, this top was calling my name. I'll try it on. The retail price is $79. It was not on sale because it's one of the new items coming out. It's obviously like a half sleeve, maybe even a short sleeve. You know, is it worth $79? No, I say it's worth about $35, $40, but I really liked it. So it came home with me. We'll have to see how it looks and how much I like it when it's on me. Okay, next up is a pair of jeans these were kind of on my list, and when I saw White House had them, I had to get them. They're cargo jeans, all right? Aren't they cute? If I keep these, I have to update my list. Oh, and the top, I got an extra small, and these I got in a size 0. I don't know if I'm gonna regret not getting petite or short in these. I believe they did have them, but I tried on another pair that I'm also contemplating on getting, but they're, you know, I'm only gonna get them if they're on sale because they're also 120. These jeans were 120 as well. So, you know, if these work for me, I'll be happy, but I'm a little bit nervous they're not. These don't look as much stretch as the other ones I tried on. There is some stretch. Cute little pocket here that, let's see, does it work? Yes, snaps that do work, okay. Button and zipper in the front, okay, and other than that, your 5-pocket styling, you know, pork chop pockets here in the front too. And it is a flared leg. So I'm really excited about these. Cargo jeans are on my list, but I need to obviously try them on. I'm afraid they might be a little long and a little snug, so we shall see. Then I was shopping at Express, where I usually don't shop that much, but I knew I needed some camisoles, like nicer satiny type of kind, to go under these cardigans that I have. So, you know, I was looking and they had them on sale for $15. I ordered 3 of them. They still haven't come. But then I decided to get these jeans too, and the jeans came. Now, these were only on sale for $29.99 for a pair of Express jeans. And they have a seam down the front, all right, if you can see. And that was like another thing I was looking for, were seamed jeans. These have a crazy wide flare leg, crazy wide. And these are marked a 0R, and I literally looked inside to see if they're 0R. And in my eye, and looking at these look to me like a size 6 and not a 0R. And I checked, and it says 0R on the inside. But these look large, but you know how that is. Sometimes you're looking at something, you go, oh, that's gonna be, you know, be big, and then you put it on. Nope, it's not. That might be the case with these, but to me, eyeing these, These to me look like a size 6. So let me, let's just compare the two together. Let's see if they look, yes. So you can see the difference, right? You can see the Express jeans are way bigger than the White House Black Market jeans. So I'll try them on, but I'm not too positive between the length and the flare and everything else about them that they're gonna work for me. But we'll give them a shot. Give me a minute and I'll do a quick try on. Okay, I am befuddled as to what to do. So first up, I have the top. It is thin, I do like it. I'm wondering if I should size up. Is it like way too tight and snug on me or not? I don't know. It's gonna be clingy no matter what. It's just the type of fabric it is. It's just a thin, fine fabric. But if you think it's pulling too much, I will size up on it. Do question though, will it fit in the shoulders? Because there already seems to be enough room here in the shoulders. So the question is, will I size up? Will it look all funny in the shoulders? Because there's definitely enough room up here. The jeans, now again, White House Black Market, they kill me. So I tried on another pair of wide leg jeans that had like embellishments down the side, like sailor pants, like silver buttons. They were really cute. And I tried them on a 0, and I probably could have gone down to a 00. There was so much stretch to those jeans, and they could be pretty much falling off of me. These, on the other hand, are size 0, and they're pretty snug. And I'm not so sure they're looking good and being this tight on me. They quite possibly be giving me pancake butt. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and decide. Moreover, they're kind of long on me. See how they're bunching up here on the bottom, even with my heels? So now I'm debating, what do I do? I had to order these online. They didn't have them in store. And if I order them online, I have to like return to the store to get my money back for these. I'm not gonna buy something twice from them and make up my mind. So let me know what your thoughts are on these. I mean, they are cute, but they are pretty snug. They're even like pulling right here, as you can see a little bit. Not a lot, you don't see the zipper, but it's not lying flat like I would like. So now I'm befuddled as to what to do with these. Do I reorder them, and do I order them like in a too petite or too short? And I think the answer may be yes. All right, give me a minute and I'm going to try on the ones from Express. Okay, so these jeans, I was wrong. They're too tight. So here's someone who says they look like they're large, they look like a size 6. I don't know what I was thinking. They are way too snug on me. So I feel my rear end being squashed in these and giving me pancake butt worse than the other ones. There is not much stretch in these jeans, and moreover, they're ginormously long. So right now I'm thinking what I'm gonna do for both of these is see if I can reorder them both in a too short and return these, because they're just too tight and too long on me, all right? But they're cool jeans otherwise. I'm gonna look also too at the footage and see if I like the way they look on me. They're just really snug around this area completely. All right, here's the back of them again. But they're fun, they're fun. And I'm even questioning, do I really need more wide legs? I got quite a few wide legs and flares now, but I just think they're so fun. Well, that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.